Gateshead, there's an accident which has brought traffic to a halt on the southbound A1. It's at the Angel of the North.
When a vehicle breaks down or is involved in an incident, the recovery vehicle called out could well have been made by J&J Conversions of Andover in Hampshire. So, I've come here today to find out why J&J's equipment is so much in demand. Engineers Richard Guy and Mick Vine founded the company in 1987 with the ambition of manufacturing the highest quality recovery equipment at the most competitive prices.
Mick and I started the company in a rented unit on East Portway with just two guys in a workshop. The ambition of the company was to produce a very high quality product at a competitive price. We soon gained a reputation for producing a very high quality product and the order books became full.
To keep up with demand, they had 12-hour working days and 6-day working weeks. In 1990, J&J purchased Unit 1 Stirling Park to run alongside their existing rented unit. By 1993, J&J had produced over 200 vehicles for the AA alone. Other customers included the Ministry of Defence, British Gas and a Jaguar racing team. The company was now employing 25 staff.
In 1995 we acquired this site on the Walworth Industrial Estate. Richard and I designed and built this purpose-built factory complex.
J&J now own 15,000 square feet of manufacturing space on a 1.5-acre site, employing 32 staff.
Graham Timms is our production manager. He's been with the company now nearly 16 years. His job is to ensure that the vehicle goes out to a standard that our customers have come to expect.
Good morning, J&J Conversions.
We endeavour to give our staff a high standard of working conditions. We value their input and thoughts into how to make the company run more smoothly.
Okay, no problem.
J&J look after their customers, who can order anything from a pair of leather gloves to a commercial heavy underlift. Management at the factory work closely with the international sales team to ensure the total vehicle design gives the operator maximum efficiency and safety. All individual specifications are catered for. Chris Clibbery and Phil Briggs deal with all the international sales and have been very successful in introducing the product overseas. In 2008, a brand new roadside assistance company was set up in Qatar. It's called Raha Auto Assistance. The recovery capability of the entire fleet was manufactured by J&J and has placed further orders, including the commission of a desert recovery vehicle. Flexibility is the name of the game. Everything is designed and built to give maximum durability, ease of use to the operator, and in addition, reduce whole life vehicle cost. So it's all very clever stuff. You know, have you got the next Eureka plan? J&J supply most of the blue chip companies throughout the UK, including the AA.
Our relationship with J&J has been nothing short of excellent. The build quality has been superb. They're a very flexible company from our point of view.
The Harwoods Group.
We went to J&J and they produced a vehicle for us which was bespoke, it was exactly the measurements we wanted and to the weights that we specified, and they delivered the vehicle on time and we're really pleased with the result that we've got.
Elva Recovery Services.
J&J Conversions have produced their vehicles for 19 years. 95% of our fleet has been built by them. We'd definitely recommend J&J since they are a very helpful, reliable company.
Westbourne Motors.
We choose J&J Conversions for the quality of design, the excellent build quality and the superb after-sales service.
Boarhunt of Fareham in Hampshire.
We've been working together for 22 years now with J&J Conversions. Roughly 75% of our fleet is J&J. What I like about them is the fact that they build the truck to our specification.
And many more. When J&J developed the vehicle recovery system, the AA could see it would give them an enormous commercial advantage over their competitors. Therefore, the AA requested exclusive rights to the build in the UK for a 3-year period. The original order was for 200 per year. However, when the product went into service, the advantages of this unit were so great that they actually took delivery of 2,500 units. J&J are the only manufacturer of recovery vehicles that design and build all their products in-house. One of the highest volume designs is the Predator 4-ton aluminium slide bed, based on a Renault Midland 12-ton crew cab.
We build the recovery unit from the chassis upwards, and in most cases actually we supply the chassis as well, which tends to be more cost effective for the client and saves them all the inconvenience of liaising with the chassis supplier, getting the chassis here and PDIing the vehicle when it's finished.
Frames go to the galvanisers for a coating to protect them from the elements. This coating will considerably outlast the lifetime of the vehicle.
Everything from installing the hydraulics and the electrics to testing the systems is carried out at J&J's to ensure the overall quality and reliability of equipment. When a vehicle leaves J&J Conversions, it is completed and ready to go into service, including all additional equipment fitted as required by the customer. AA Manager of Recovery and Fleet Operations, Steve Sharp, holds J&J in high regard.
Today we're lucky enough to receive the keys for our first few trucks on order from J&J. We've got 163 on order now. It's quite a big volume for us. I don't think in the AA's history we've ordered this many trucks in one go before. It's superior in lots of ways to our previous builds.
The AA's Senior Technical Engineer, Steve Ives, explains.
This vehicle is very popular with our patrols and customers. It's very economical to run. It has good load capability and good residual values at the end of its life. This is the largest replacement programme of specialised recovery vehicles ever undertaken in the UK.
Due to customer demand, J&J have now moved into the production of heavy underlifts. Boarhunt is one of the largest recovery businesses in the south of England and was the first to commission J&J's new line of heavy underlifts. J&J have recently acquired a 3-acre site opposite their main factory and are planning to build a new purpose-built factory to run alongside the existing complex.
Now what we've done here, Tiff, is that when you see the overall plan of the yard sort of finishes here. Yeah. So all this production's going on behind the scenes, if you like. Then this would be like a handover showroom at the end. All ceramic tile floors, trucks there, a bunch of flowers on the seat.
It's like buying a Ferrari.
Buying a Ferrari, yeah.
It's easy to see at J&J Conversions that the driving force is to produce the ultimate recovery vehicle, with service backup which is second to none. This guarantees them repeat business and recommendations from their existing customers. And the only way you can achieve that is by getting it right.
The answer is yes. What's the question?
The future of the future will still contain